Next, I got my reference page. I got my personal references and my professional references.
Boy, clean, ain't he? Clean as hell.
Next, I start off with some of my projects. This right here is Packet Tracer. This is from my capstone project. Packet Tracer is more like a program that like simulates connections between routers, switches, PCs, and servers. Next, I got another. This is a Visio drawing. It's a network diagram. It's from my capstone project.
Yes.
Capstone is like
group project.
Somebody made a good. Oh, Nate used it's like a thesis.
Yeah.
It's a final grand finale, big final project.
He did all that by himself.
This right here is a diagram that's showing IP addresses and just pretty much everything about networking for 5 different offices. Next, I have this is kind of upside down. This is my web page. This is like from the capstone project too. Y'all seen it a couple times, but anyway. Next, I got the HTML code for the web page. This is some of the codes that you use to write the show.
That's what I had to do today. Nobody wanted to videotape me.
You can put words on the page and all that. Next, I got some more Visio. This is a network diagram for, this is one floor of an office building.
This gangster.
The next floor, and it shows how they all connect from one floor to the next. This is a floor diagram for Visio Project 2, 2007. And next I have, this is a BattleBot program that I've done in Introduction to Computer Programming. This is in Python code. Next I got your highest achievement honors.
I got him beat on that.
And my perfect attendance.
Fucking with him, that's my boy.
And here I have, I sent out 3 letters of recommendation. I got one from Mr. Lyles. He's an instructor here at ITT. Then I got the screenshot where I sent the recommendation. That's it.
Beautiful. Several times, and this is why I made you do it.
He need a flash or so.
You will
Remember old man in black looking ass.
If you don't get honest and get your letters of recommendation back, you will end up applying for someone who's going to say, okay, well, all we need for your file is 3 letters of recommendation, and it's going to be, ooh, shoot, I can't, blah, 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 blah. So I'm making you do it, and you may or may not ever need them, but having them is not going to hurt you, but not having them when someone requires you to have them for a file will hurt you. So when it comes to the paperwork, they don't care about the stories.
Get out of town.
People lose the job all the time because they didn't pass the drug test, or they didn't have the right degree, or they didn't this or that. And so it doesn't matter how much they love you if you don't have what they need. So if you have requested letters and you have not as of yet gotten them back, gentle reminders first. I've heard several people say I requested 5, hoping that I was rolling the dice and I'd get 3 back. Do that. If you find that you've got somebody who's just not going to play along.
He went 5 for 5. He went 5 for 4.
And also, if you haven't gotten something back that says, yes, I will write you a letter of recommendation, I just haven't yet, then don't hold your breath on that one. You can ask all you want. You need to find out that somebody's saying, yes, I will do this for you, and then gently remind them, thank them again for helping you put your portfolio together, and then you might just have to drop them. You might just have to go somewhere else with it. So get them back.
4 minutes.
Or